Okay, so I was telling you how to add the how to change the sprite. So for changing a sprite, just click on this option and then you will find these options. Just click on animals and then you will find all the animals. What we have to do is we have to add frog. So just click on frog and click on OK. Now you will find this frog on the stage area. Just see, now frog is added, and if you have to delete this one, so just click here and right click and delete it. So that is deleted. Now frog is in the center. I have changed the background. Just go to events and then pick when clicked, and then go to motion block, and from here just take out move steps and drag it and below this join these blocks. Okay, and here you can change the steps. So I am changing it to 20. So this frog will move 20 steps forward. Okay, now see what will happen, and then after that I am just putting a wait control 2 seconds, and again I am moving it to 10 steps. So like this, just join these blocks and try it. So now if I want to see what it will do, then just click on this option, green flag. Okay, so just click there. Now you can see, now it is waiting, then it will move to 10 steps. See, it will move like this. Okay, so like this, if you want to stop it, just stop here and take it to this direction. Now again you can see the execution. Now it will move like this. Okay, so this is the way you can execute your script. Okay, so let's go back to the book. So first moving sprite we have already done. Now what we have to do, we are adding a sound. So for that, just go to sound option. So here just go on sound and play drum. This option you have to choose. So what is taken here, play drum again and play drum. So just put that thing, play drum beat, this one, and then again you can put any sound like pop until done. This one you can put. Now we will check what will happen. So see here, this one. Now see, it is showing the sound. Just click here and put this. Have you seen the drop sound? Okay, like this you can add sound. Okay students, next is you can change it like this. Whatever is given in book, do that thing. Okay, you can choose different drum from pull down menu. So you can change the drums also from here. Pop, in place of pop you can record. Okay, and other sounds you can put, one note also, these beats. Okay, just click and check. Okay, again you can check. Just click here and it is just giving you the sound. Okay, next is we are having start dance. So just run this script and then it will start dancing. Whatever given here, just follow those instructions. Okay, repeat the process again. For that you can use the repeat block. So here I am just removing these two steps, delete, then I am adding the sound pop. Again I am adding sound pop, and now I am adding repeat block. So repeat will you will find in the control block. Okay, so repeat 10 times. So just put it in this block. Okay, and now again you just start it from here. 10 times it will be repeated, or you can decrease the numbers also from here. If you want to repeat it for 5 times, just go there and put 5, and if you want to take it back, now see, it will repeat 5 times. Okay, like this, just do this. Okay, next is say something. Just use this looks block and do this script. run this script, it will say something. Green flag is to run the script and red flag is to change the script. You can change the color of this frog also. Drag out change effect block under looks category and just put it, so it will change its color. Key press snap space key block under events, and now press space bar on your keyboard. You can choose a different key to pull down menu. You can use this also. Okay, so just drag and drop all these options you can find. Backdrop, I have already told you how to change backdrop. Okay, you can change your sprite also. You can add more sprites to your this scratch programming. We can add sound can be recorded also or unrecorded also. Animations you can move, and you can save your project with the title. So for saving the project, just go here, files, and click on save, and it will be saved at a location. So choose any location. If you want to save it on desktop or any drive, just give it a name of your program like frog. If you want to give frog project, just click that and save it on the desired location. Click on save, then this project is saved at your desktop. So like this you can perform projects in this scratch programming. Okay, so we have completed this chapter. Thank you students. In next class we will do the question answers. Like this you can open the project, existing projects, just click on that and you will get your project back. So see, it is saved as .sb2 frog. I have saved it on desktop. Just click on open, then it will be open. So this is my scratch area. So like this, just explore it. Once again I am telling you how to change this backdrop. So click here, choose any backdrop, just go on indoors. If you want to change it to bedroom or birthday party, just select that and click on OK. So like this you can change. If you want to change sprites, just click here and go to the whatever fancy sprite you want. If you want ballerina, just click on this and OK. So now you will have two sprites. So she is moving here. You can put it like this. Two sprites are here. We can do two sprites. So see, this code for this is already here. You can put some code or scripts for this also. For click on this, and now you can add some scripts to this also. So she will work like that. So if you want to run it, just see, and if you want to make it run like this, just go. Okay, so like this you can work. Okay, so this is the way the sprites or these themes we can change. Backdrop, you can paint your own backdrop also. So just click on this. Now here you can do the painting and that will be assigned as a backdrop, or you can just upload backdrop from your phone or laptop. Whatever is stored in your phone, you can use that. You can take it from camera also. Similarly here also you can draw your sprite. You can take it from paint and you can take it from camera also. So we are not taking any backdrop from our computer, or we are not painting it. We are just using the inbuilt. So just click on that and click on OK. Then that backdrop will be applied to your current project. Okay, so just wait and see how it will work. These are the various backdrops. Okay, so see, if you want to go to the script area, just click on script, then it will be changed. See here,